Today I'll show you how to create these beautiful iridescent style images using only ChatGPT for free. As you can see, these are all the iridescent style images that have been created from normal images, logos, icons, and even real-life photos. I'll show you step by step how to do these styles, including its prompt and any customization you can make to improve the quality of your image. Iridescent is a luminous colors that can seem to change when you view from different angles. For example, if you view inside a piece of glass or any surface that can be reflected, you can see rainbow, different hues and rainbow color. As you can see, iridescence color can be found everywhere in nature that can reflect and refract light. So it's a scientific phenomenon. As you can see, people have created all sorts of art styles using this iridescent style. And credit to EGE from Twitter, where he created all different images using this iridescent style, which looks really cool to me. So this is very good for logo creation. And one very important use case might be advertisements. For example, turning this normal iPhone advertisement into iridescent style. Great for making your profile picture or even game characters if you're designing a game. Alright, so what you're gonna do first is go to chatgpt.com. I am currently in my Plus account, but you can do this entirely for free, just for a limited number of times per day, maybe around 4 times per day. And make sure you can see the create image icon button in your chat box prompt. And you click on your add photos and files. So click on it and then add the images or photos that you want to transform into iridescent style. For example, I want to transform this Nike Air Max shoe into iridescent style. Then just copy and paste this prompt that I will link down in the description below. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. And then I'm going to explain what it means later. So let me just upload this prompt and then let it generate, because it's going to take some time for it to generate, around 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how complex it should be. So it's going to take its time to generate. While it's taking time to generate, I'm going to explain the prompt a bit so that you can customize it in the future. So here we have retexture the image attached based on the JSON aesthetic below. So this is the initial prompt to retexture this image that is attached, and JSON file format is this one right here from the curly brackets. So from the curly brackets, these are all the JSON style structure. So JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a really common file format used for programming, websites, and CSS and other things as well. Instead of just using paragraphs and describing what you want, sometimes it can be a bit complicated. So this JSON file format just makes it easier for us to read, customize, and let ChatGPT understand what you actually want to generate as well. So it is a really good file format to do these sort of things, such as generating images. So I'll teach you how to read a bit so that you can customize it in the future. So it is really simple. Basically, it's a key value pair. So as you can see, this is the key and this is the values, and then it is separated by a comma. So, and then this is the second key value pair. Alright, so the first one before the colon is the name of it, and then after the colon is the value. So for example, what style you want. Let's say, then I can just say I want a photorealistic 3D render. And then if you come here, you have a material, then you can just put in what kind of things that you want. So usually this style, material, surface texture is all fixed. You just need to change. If you want to customize something, you just need to change the value of it to whatever that you want to customize. And it seems a bit complicated, but you see there's another curly brackets here. This, as you can see, is the name. And if you see another curly brackets and then you see another name value pair, it means that it is in the same group. So for example, the whole group is called lighting, and then what type of lighting you want, what intensity of the lighting you want, what direction of the lighting you want. So these are all in the same group with lighting. And then as you can see, color scheme is easier to understand. It's basically what colors you want in your images. So as you can see, in this color you have primary colors, secondary colors, and then you can see after the colon it says values where you can change. Alright, so let's see the output. As you can see, this is the output of the image. You can see it's a bit angled as well. It has the overall structure right. It has even some reflections. Really beautiful. To save this image, just click on the save button at the top right corner here and then save it into your folders. But if you're not satisfied or you want some different colors or customization, let me show you how to do it. You can either create a new chat or use a chain chat box. Definitely prefer to create a new chat. So right now, let's say I want to do something even more. Let's say I can change the material into metallic. Let's say I want to change into gold, red and purple hues. Alright, as you can see, this is the generated image. As you can see, a bit gold, a bit slightly red maybe, and then a bit metallic. So yeah, this is really fun, really cool style that you can make using ChatGPT. So if you don't have any image that you want to attach, ChatGPT can also generate an entire image from scratch. You just need to describe it. For example, I want to create a logo for an AI automation company, and then I do not have any image. So it asks me whether more details. So I just ask it to generate one as best as you can. So this is what it came up with. Of course, you need to put in the name of your company if you want to generate the logo. You can also actually animate your logo so that it moves. Comment down if you want me to make a video on that. Thank you very much for watching. So yeah, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.